Out of that, small radius is 15 centimeter, big radius is 20 centimeter. They are given the measurement of two radii. The line segment ABCD cuts outer circle at A and D as shown in the diagram and inner circle at B and C. If BC is equal to 18 centimeter, then find the length of AB. So first what we will do, we will draw OM perpendicular to, what happened? What happened?
सर आपका आवाज एको हुआ।
आपका आवाज एको हुआ सर।
अच्छा ठीक है, draw OM perpendicular to AD. So for inner circle, OB is a small radius for inner circle. OB is equal to small radius which is 15 centimeter, or we have OM perpendicular to BC. So therefore I can write BM is equal to half BC. So that is BM is half into BC, which is 9 centimeter. So if you will see on the diagram, this is 15 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. So by Pythagoras I can find OM. So I will write in triangle OMB. OB square is equal to OM square plus BM square. Pythagoras theorem. OB square is 15 square is equal to OM square plus 9 square, 225 minus 81 is equal to OM square. So therefore OM square is equal to 144. So therefore OM is equal to 12.
और हम लोग AM माइनस BM भी कर सकते हैं ना, AB फाइंड करने के लिए।
वही तो करना है, तुम्हारे पास AM है. Whatever I am doing now, it's to find AM because I don't know AM. ठीक है, first part I got OM. Now what I will do, I will draw a line OA. If you will see this line, barabar? This is again a triangle in which OM is now 12 centimeter, and for outer circle, OA is the outer radius, capital R, that is 20 centimeter. Now we will take in triangle OMA. We know OM, we don't know AM, we know OA. So we can say OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Pythagoras theorem, right? Full form. 15 square is equal to 12 square plus AM square. So 225 minus 144 is equal to AM square. So therefore AM square is equal to 81. AM is equal to 9 centimeter. So therefore AB is equal to AM. अभी देखो AB find करना है ना, this much part. ये कैसा मिलेगा? AM minus MB or BM. In place of MB you can write BM. So AM is 9 and BM was, how AM is 9?
Also 9. Can it be
Achha,
0?
oh, this is 20. We substituted wrong value. This is 20. This is 20 square, that is 400 minus 144, that is 256, which is equal to 16. So 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Hundred minus 36 is equal to OM square. OM square is equal to 64. OM is equal to 8 centimeter. Once you get OM 8 centimeter, we can draw another triangle in triangle OMP. OP is equal to big radius, which is equal to 17 centimeter. So I can take in triangle. Already triangle I took. So we'll take directly Pythagoras. PO square is equal to PM square plus OM square. Pythagoras theorem. OP square is 17 square, that is equal to PM square plus 8 square. 289 minus 64 is equal to PM square. So therefore PM square is equal to 225. So therefore PM is equal to 15 centimeter. Now once you get PM, you can write PQ is equal to PM minus QM, as you can see on the diagram. 15 minus 6, which is equal to 9 centimeter. Dhruv, are you there? Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
you are recording now? I didn't got any permission, huh?
I am I I clicked on recording और ऊपर दिखा रहा है, पर इधर दिखा भी रहा था you need permission also. Record भी हो रहा, दिखा रहा permission also.
रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
ठीक है,
सर आप भी रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो।
मुझे नहीं करना ये सब चीजें। मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, सब मैं ही करूंगा तो तुम लोग क्या करोगे? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes.
15th क्वेश्चन। The length of a common chord
सर एक
of
सेकंड के लिए पीछे जाना, एक सेकंड के लिए। हाँ सर,
सर आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो?
मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, देख रहा हूँ फर्स्ट टाइम रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो कहाँ सेव होता है, क्या होता है, बस बाकी कुछ।
सर मेरे को तो कब का दिखा रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ किसको?
हाँ स्टार्टिंग से ही कर रहे हैं।
पहले मैं
मुझे।
क्लाउड पे कर रहा था, अभी लैपटॉप पे कर रहा हूँ। मुझे बस सिर्फ देखना है कि कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होता है, और ऐसे भी मेरे इसमें स्पेस फिल होने आई है। लेट्स सी, हो रहा है तो ठीक है, बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि एवरी क्लास में कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग करूंगा। The length of the common chord of two circle is 30 centimeter. See, common chord means when two circles intersect each other, then only you may get common chord. अभी इसमें common chord क्या है? This is my common chord. ये वाला पार्ट एक कॉमन कॉर्ड है। ओके, लेट्स से एस ए बी। AB is 30 centimeter. पहले समझ लो, try to understand this sum, then you can write. Diameter of two circles means capital D is 50 centimeter. So we can say capital R is equal to 25 centimeter. Capital denotes for bigger circle. Small d is equal to 34 centimeter. So therefore small radius is 17 centimeter. Find the distance between their centers. So let's take P and Q as the distance between their center. P, Q. If you join this,
सर वो हॉरिजॉन्टल भी हो सकता है ना कॉर्ड?
हाँ हॉरिजेंटल भी हो सकता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ योर, ये 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए सिर्फ। ओके,
हाँ
नेक्स्ट इज दिस। तो इफ यू सी P circle with center P is the greater circle, so this is my 25 and AQ is 17 centimeter. Now let's say AB and PQ meets each other at M. So we can say PM perpendicular, PQ perpendicular to AB. So therefore we can say AM is equal to half AB. So what is AB? AB is 30. So that is half into 30, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is what 15. So what you will do? First, I will find PM using this triangle. Now you can do with me. First we will find PM using this triangle. Then we will find QM using this triangle. Last में what we will do? Distance between center के लिए we have to add PM plus MQ is equal to PQ. Understood? कुछ doubt है इसमें? Any doubt? No reply, that means no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
नो सर। सर अगर कॉर्ड हॉरिजॉन्टल हुआ तो कैसे करेंगे?
वही तो सेम ही तो हुआ, क्या मीनिंग है? दो ट्राइंगल ही बनेंगे ना, हॉरिजॉन्टल है वर्टिकल है, तुम ऐसा भी बना दो, ऐसा ऐसा भी दो ट्राइंगल बना दो. दिस इज कॉर्ड, ये वर्टिकल हो गया. इट्स अ सेम थिंग ना. हियर लेट से ए है, बी है, पी है और क्यू है, एम है. यू विल गेट टू ट्राइंगल्स. अगेन वन ट्राइंगल इज दिस, वन ट्राइंगल इज दिस. Every time, anywhere, anyway, if you are drawing, answer is always same. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
यस सर।
At least reply कर दो. In triangle AMP, 25 square is equal to 15 square plus PM square. Pythagoras theorem. Six 25 minus 225 is equal to PM square. So PM square is equal to
मम्मा!
Who is this? Who is calling mama?
Del C.
म्यूट करके बोलो वो सब, वो रिकॉर्डिंग में चले जाएगा अभी ये सब. चलो ठीक है, इट्स ओके. आगे बढ़ो. PM is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, we will take another triangle. In triangle AMQ, 17 square is equal to 15 square plus QM square. Again, this is Pythagoras theorem. Two 89 minus 225 is equal to QM square. QM square is equal to 64. So therefore QM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now what we want? We want PQ. PQ is equal to PM plus QM. That is 20 plus 8, which is equal to 28 centimeter. If done, tell me, we will go ahead.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done.
Next sum, again same pattern. Two circle of radii 17 centimeter and 25 centimeter intersect each other at 2 points A and B. Here everything is given in detail. A, B. If the length of common chord AB is equal to 30 centimeter and big radius is 25 centimeter, small radius is 17 centimeter. So let us draw, and we have to find the distance between two centers. So PQ is the distance between two centers. Let's join PA and PB. This is perpendicular. We can write AB perpendicular to PQ. So therefore, now in triangle APMA, which triangle we are taking, you know now? Out of that, PA is 25 centimeter. So therefore, I have to write, therefore AM is equal to half AB. So that is half into 30, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is 15. In triangle PMA, PA square is equal to PM square plus AM square. Pythagoras theorem, right? Full form, huh? 25 square is equal to PM square plus 15 square. 225 minus 1, sorry, 625 minus 225 is equal to PM square. So therefore, PM square is equal to 400. So therefore, PM is equal to 20 centimeter. Now in triangle AMQ, another triangle, we can say AQ square is equal to AM square plus QM square. AQ square is the smaller radius, that is 17. So 17 square is equal to AM is 15 square plus QM square. So therefore QM square is equal to 289 minus 225, that is equal to 64. So therefore QM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now QM is 8, PM is 20. So therefore
सर सेम सम ही है,
question was different, na?
सिर्फ डायमीटर था, उधर रेडियस दिया है.
So therefore distance between centers is 20 plus 8, that is 28 centimeter. Can we go to 17th question?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
17 में in the next figure, in the figure देखो next निकाल दो. In the figure, in the given figure कर दो. In the given figure, the diameter CD, this is a diameter CD. See, it's vertical. Let me draw with red pen. The diameter CD of a circle with center O is perpendicular to chord AB, where AB is 12 centimeter, so AE will be 6 centimeter. First understand from the diagram. don't keep writing, barabar. So if AB is 12 centimeter, then AE is 6 centimeter, and CE is given as CE, this
3.
part I will draw with CE is given as, A part is given as 3 centimeter. Then you have to find radius. Anyone who can help me? How we will find radius? Let's say this is radius. Any answer? No one is willing to answer.
Sir, Pythagoras theorem.
So
Yes. Okay.
Sir, we can mark OC.
से
सर हम
निकालेंगे
लोग OC को X ले सकते हैं.
OC is equal to OA. Both are radius. Both are radius. See, O to C and O to A. Both starts from center and they go ends at a circle. So both are radius. So therefore OC ko we can write as OE plus EC. OC is R. OE we don't know, plus 3. So therefore OE ki value I will get as R minus 3. This I will get R minus 3. Now OE is perpendicular to AB. So therefore AE is equal to half AB. You can write reason. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Reason लिख देना. So now in triangle OEA, R square is equal to 6 square plus R minus 3 whole square. So R square is equal to 6 square plus identity A square minus 3 to the 6 plus 9. We can cancel out R square, R square. 6R you can shift to the left side. 36 plus 9. What is 36 plus 9?
45.
40.
6R is equal to 45. Sorry. R is equal to 45 by 6. 315 is a
7.5.
3 twos are, that is 7.5 centimeter. So radius is 7.5 centimeter. Done?
No, sir, एक minute.
वैसे आगे सोच रहे थे को थोड़ा ये बात बेटर है.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
सर हो गया.
Next question. In the adjoining figure shows the diameter, shows a circle with diameter bisects chord PQ at point R. Same pattern question है. PR is equal to RQ. When
एक सेकंड पुराना पहले वाला पेज लगाओ ना. थैंक यू सर.
हम लोग स्टार्ट करो. क्या था ये? चलो, in the adjoining figure shows a circle with a circle O with in which diameter AB bisects chord PQ. When diameter, that means when diameter bisects this chord, that means that diameter is perpendicular to the chord. So we can say now OR is perpendicular to PQ because PR is equal to QR, which is 8 centimeter. Then RB is 4 centimeter. Find the radius. So let us join any one side. Let us join OP. So we can say OP is equal to OB is equal to radius, but OB can be written as OR plus RB. OB is radius, which is equal to OR plus 4 centimeters. So therefore, OR is equal to R minus 4 centimeter. Now we will take in triangle ORP. OP, either we can take R and this is R minus 4. R square is equal to 8 square plus R minus 4 whole square. So R square is equal to 64 plus R square minus 4 to the 8R plus 16. You can cancel R square. So 8R is equal to 80. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Let's do next question. Again, similar pattern. Done, na? Previous one is done, na? Again, AB is a diameter, P is a point on AB such that AP is equal to 9 centimeter, PB is equal to P to B. Here we have something different. PB is equal to 25 centimeter. Find the length of the shortest chord through P. Length of the shortest chord. That means we have to find the value of this part. So what we will do, see, AP plus PB is equal to AB, which is diameter. Can you see AP plus PB, which is diameter? So we can say therefore AB is equal to what? 9 plus 25, which is equal to 34 centimeter. So therefore radius is equal to 17 centimeter. So therefore I can say OA is equal to OB, which is 17 centimeter. So ये देखो, this part becomes 17. So now if we have to find PO, so what we will do, PO के लिए we will do PO is equal to 25 minus 17. That is 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, this is 17 centimeter. So we can easily find PM if we are taking triangle OPM. Now we can take in triangle OPM. ये थोड़ा tricky question था, but actually it's simple. 17 square is equal to 8 square plus PM square. Pythagoras theorem. 289 minus 64 is equal to PM square. PM square is equal to 225. PM is equal to 15 centimeter. So therefore chord, length of the chord MN is 2 into 15, that is 30 centimeter.
Sir, done.
Everyone had finished?
Sir, एक minute.
Yes, sir.
देशना गाना बंद करो. What is this? क्लास के टाइम पे गाना कहाँ से बज रहा है?
सर नहीं मेरे नहीं, मैंने तो आप कैसे खोला है, देखो सर.
तुम्हारा मुझे इधर से अनम्यूट दिख रहा है, तुम्हारा
मेरे भी वहाँ
अनम्यूट
पे.
दिख रहा है. म्यूट करो.
हाँ
इधर मुझे समझता है कि किसका अनम्यूट है इतने में से. आई कैन इजीली सी. In triangle ABC with AB is equal to BC is equal to 10 centimeter and AB is equal to AC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC is 12 centimeter has been inscribed in a circle. Means this triangle is an isosceles triangle which is inscribed in a circle. So you can draw a triangle whose two sides are equal. A, B, C. AB is equal to AC, both are 10 centimeter. पहले ये sum देख लो. Just try to understand this sum and next two sums are of same type. BC is 12 centimeter. Now you have to find the radius. So first we will draw a perpendicular line which always passes through the center. When we have isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, you have to take care that when isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle are inscribed in a circle, its perpendicular always passes through center. Let's BC, we have AB is equal to AC is equal to 10 centimeter. BC is equal to 12 centimeter. We can write AM perpendicular to BC. So therefore it will divide BC into two equal parts. What will be the value? 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So therefore I can write BM is equal to CM is equal to half of BC. पहले देख लो and then I will give you time to write. Here we have to find radius. So first we will find OM. OM is not a, sorry, AM. AM is not a radius of the triangle. So I will take in triangle AMB. 10 square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Pythagoras theorem. So 100 is equal to AM square plus BM is 6 square. 100 minus 36 is equal to AM square. So AM square is equal to 64. So therefore AM is equal to 8 centimeter. I think so इतना समझा होगा. Any doubt in this part? Any
नहीं.
doubt? Now we want radius. What is radius? Radius is any line from the center to the circle. Okay. So let us join.
To the circumference of the circle, na sir?
To the circumference of a circle. OB, OA, both are the line which starts from the center and ends at circle. So we can say this is R, this is also R. So here what you got? We got
OM.
A. we got AM. AM can be written as AO plus OM. It can be written as AO ऊपर center तक का part and center से base. AM is 8 centimeter. AO is R plus OM. So what we can say, therefore OM is 8 minus R. This is 8 minus R. Now you can take a triangle, this triangle, for Pythagoras theorem, in which this is 90 degree. So I can take in triangle OMB. R square is equal to 6 square plus 8 minus R whole square. R square is equal to 36 plus 64 minus 8 to the 16 R plus R square. If you will see, R square get cancelled. 16R is equal to 100. So therefore R is equal to 100 upon 16. 4 4s are 4, 25s are, so 6.25 centimeter. So therefore radius 6.25 centimeter. Go through it properly. कुछ doubt है? Done?
Yes, sir.
Can we solve next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Same. PQR is an isosceles triangle inscribed in a circle. If PQ equal to PR is 25 centimeter, QR is 14 centimeter, calculate the radius to the nearest centimeter. Same type of question. You can start solving with me. PQR. PQ is 25 centimeter. PR is 25 centimeter. QR is 14 centimeter. Just draw perpendicular line. This is O. And PQ is equal to PR, that is 25 centimeter. PM perpendicular to QR. So therefore QM is equal to 7 centimeter. This is कितने सेंटीमीटर है? 14 है ना?
सर इन टोटल 14 है और हाफ में करेंगे तो 7 है.
625 minus 49. हाँ आ जाता है. ट्रिपलेट है ना? That's what I was looking. Half QR, that is half into 14, which is 7 centimeter. So now first I will take in triangle PMQ. PQ square 25 square is equal to 7 square plus PM square. 625 minus 49 is equal to PM square. PM square is equal to 576. PM is equal to 24 centimeter. Now what I will do, I will join radius. This is my radius. This is also radius. Now PO is equal to OQ is equal to radius. So therefore PO plus OM is equal to PM. This is R, this is R. R plus OM is equal to PM. PM is what? 24. So OM is equal to 24 minus R. This is 24 minus R. Now in triangle OMR, sorry, OMQ. OQ, that is R square is equal to 7 square plus 24 minus R whole square. R square is equal to 49 plus 576 minus 48 R plus R square. Cancel out R square, R square. 48 R is equal to, दोनों को ऐड कर दो,
25.
625. So R is equal to 625 divided by 48. 13.02 to the nearest is 13 centimeter. Answer is give the calculate the radius of a circle to the nearest centimeter.
Done, sir.
Done.
सर एक सेकंड वो पीछे वाली स्लाइड दिखा दो। हो गया सर।
This is again same pattern question. In the given figure ABC is an isosceles triangle. एक मिनट, हाँ क्वेश्चन एरर है उसमें. AB इक्वल टू AC आएगा आई गेस. मैं देख लेता हूँ, आई विल टेल यू. हाँ AB इज इक्वल टू AC कर दो. AB is equal to AC is equal to 12 root 5 centimeter. ABC 12 root 5. This is also 12 root 5 and BC is 24 centimeter. So first we will draw again same. First we will draw perpendicular line. Then First we'll write AB is equal to AC is equal to 12 root 5 centimeter. AM perpendicular to BC. So therefore BM is equal to half BC. Reason you can write it down by yourself. That is equal to 12 centimeter. We can take in triangle AMB. AB, that is 12 root 5 whole square is equal to AM square plus BM 12 square 144 into 5. 12 का square is 144, root 5 का square is 5, which is equal to AM square plus
720.
144. This is 720 minus 144, that is equal to AM square. AM square is equal to 576 आएगा ना, check कर लो. AM is equal
Yes.
to
Sir, 570.
हाँ सर
24 centimeter. Now again I will draw radius R. We can say AO is equal to BO, which is equal to R. So therefore 24 is equal to R plus OM. So therefore OM is equal to 24 minus R. This is 24 minus R. Now we will take a triangle. In triangle OMB, R square is equal to 12 square plus 24 minus R square, Pythagoras theorem. R square is equal to 144 plus 256 minus 48 R plus R square. You can cancel out R square on both sides. Shift 48 R to the right side, left side. 256 plus 144 कितना होता है?
Sir,
400.
256 नहीं 576 आएगा.
576
Yes, sir.
आएगा, हाँ वो भी है.
तो 720 होता.
हाँ sir.
तो फिर 15 हो जाएगा. R is equal to 720 upon 48, that is 15 centimeter. Check कर लो. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
An equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. Let's say ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, that is 9 centimeter. in perimeter and area. I think so you people had done perimeter and area. किया हुआ है ना? And even in
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Pythagoras
सर.
के proof, height of the equilateral triangle का formula, anyone knows height of the equilateral triangle का formula?
सर 3a square.
AM
Root 3
perpendicular
by
to
2a.
BC. So therefore AM, that is height of equilateral triangle, is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. This is the formula, root 3 by 2 into side. So therefore AM value we will get direct as it is. AM is equal to root 3 by 2 into side is 9. So that is 9 root 3 by 2. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
Now if you join like this, O hai, this is R, this is R. In triangle, sorry, we can write some step. OA is equal to OB is equal to R. OA equal to OB is R na. Now AM
Sir
is equal
OM.
to R plus OM. AM is 9 root 3 by 2 is equal to R plus OM. So OM is equal to 9 root 3 by 2 minus R. Is this part clear? This is 9 root 3 by 2 minus R, and this is 9 by 2. PM will be half.
हमारी मैम ने बोला इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल में परपेंडिकुलर है ना, तो वो 2:1 के रेशियो में रहेगा. मतलब
वो
AO is
वो हर एक AO और OM वो मीडियंस के लिए होता है, बट इक्विलेटर वो एवरी ट्राइंगल के मीडियन के लिए होता है. ओके,
हाँ
तो
सर.
डोंट कंसीडर दैट. वो प्रूविंग चाहिए उसके लिए. आई विल शो यू वन मोर मेथड इसके बाद. RBC दैट इज 9. और एनी ट्राइंगल्स के मीडियन है ना 2:1 के ही रेशियो में होता है, वो कंपलसरी ही होता है वो. दैट इज, बट इधर यू हैव टू प्रूव देन इट इज मीडियन और वो सब. अभी नाउ इन ट्राइंगल OMB, OMB में we can write R square is equal to 9 by 2 whole square plus 9 root 3 by 2 minus R square. So we can write R square is equal to 9 by 2 का 81 by 4 plus 9 square 81 into 3 upon 4 minus 2 into 9 root 3 by 2 into R plus R square. So you can cancel out R square, R square. Even you can cancel 2, 2. So what you get, this 9 root 3 R, we can shift on other side. That is equal to 81 plus 243 upon 4. So 9 root 3 is equal to, add both of them, what you will get? 324 upon 8
24.
upon 4. So 9 root 3 is equal to 81.
81.
So therefore R is equal to 81 upon 9 root 3. So that is 9 upon root 3. Rationalize it. 9 root 3 by 3, that is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. Okay, I will show you one more way how to do this.
सर 1 मिनट वापस जाना कंप्लीट कर दो ना.
हाँ सर हो गया.
नहीं सर 1 मिनट हो जाएगा.
Done?
यस सर.
See, this same sum we can do by another method. If this is perpendicular, and this is what radius. So we know this is 60 degree ना, तो ये उसका half 30 degree होगा, and this is R, and this is 9/2. We know A, B, C, M. So if you are taking a triangle, this triangle,
सर हमको कैसे पता वो 30 डिग्री है?
60 है ना, बाइसेक्टर हो जाएगा वो बाइसेक्टर हो जाता है. ओ, so now if you are taking this triangle, trigonometry you had learned na, trigonometry mein this is 30, this is opposite, this is adjacent which is 9/2, and we have to find hypo. So which trigonometric ratios connect adjacent or hypotenuse? We can write
Cos.
cos 30 is equal to adjacent, that is 9/2 upon R. Cos 30 की value is √3/2 is equal to 9 upon 2R. 2 cancel हो गया, क्रॉस कर दो. √3R is equal to 9, R is equal to 9 upon √3. Rationalize कर लो. R is equal to 9 √3/3, that is 3√3 centimeter. Answer मिल गया.
हाँ सर.
You can do this method also. This is the simplest method which you can use to find sides. और बोर्ड के क्वेश्चन है ना, यू पीपल कैन सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ एट होम, क्योंकि इजी है. अभी मैं 1 से 2 करवा देता हूँ, रेस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस यू फिनिश बाय एट होम. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. डन?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
सर क्लास का क्वेश्चंस खत्म,
व्हाट?
एक्सरसाइज खत्म.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बोर्ड का पैटर्न इज डन. इन द गिवन फिगर AB and CD are the parallel chords on the opposite side है. If the radius is 15 centimeter, let's draw a radius. If this radius is 15 centimeter, find the distance between M and if two chords are of length 24 centimeter, let's say ये 12 है and this is 9. So we can write all basic steps. First, I'm not writing all basic steps. I had written on the diagram. I'm just taking two triangles. In triangle OMA, everything you have to write with reasons. किया हुआ है ना ऐसा सम. 15 square is equal to 12 square plus OM square.
हाँ sir.
225 minus 144 is equal to OM square. OM square is equal to 81. So therefore OM is equal to 9 centimeter. So here I got 9 centimeter. Now I can take in triangle ONC. OC square, that is 15 square is equal to 9 square plus ON square. Pythagoras theorem. 225 minus 81 ON square ON square is equal to 144. OM is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter. Now distance between chord. Tuesday we are doing quadrilaterals. Okay, we are starting with quadrilateral. Don't remain absent. There will be no substitution class. Okay, is it fine? Still, I think so. See, so many 5 to 6.
सर आप म्यूट हो गए.
सर यू आर ऑन म्यूट. आप फिर से म्यूट हो गए.
ठीक है.
सर आप क्या बोले हम लोग सुने ही नहीं.
कुछ नहीं. Many students are absent. Don't remain absent on Tuesday also. We are starting with quadrilateral. सुन लिया ना?
और 31 लोग थे, अभी सब लोग ने एग्जिट कर दिया. अभी 27 हो गए. 31 थे पहले.
मालूम है. और पहले
31, 32.
ऐसा काउंटिंग करेंगे तो लोकपुरम के 3 है, वो उसको मिला के आई थिंक सो 34 होने चाहिए. तो 7 स्टूडेंट्स हैज लेफ्ट. ठीक है. आई वोंट रिपीट, दैट इज श्योर. Today again everyone's video is off. It's okay.
सर हमारा वीडियो ऑन ही है.
वीडियो
हमारा ऑन ही है वीडियो सबका. सबका वीडियो हम लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है.
बहुत सारे लोगों का ऑफ है. वो जिसका ऑन है वो है. आई कैन सी. फिर भी still there are many students whose video is off. I don't want to take name today. खाली टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते और 1-2 क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. चलो, ये भी सेम पैटर्न क्वेश्चन है. See in the given figure below नहीं है, साइड पे है. In the given figure I can just write in the given figure. Below I have to remove. In the given figure
सर इसके पहले वाला स्क्रीन लगाओ ना.
yes. Do it fast.
हाँ सर हो गया.
क्योंकि मुझे तुम लोग के क्लास के बाद लैपटॉप रिस्टार्ट करना है पहले. फटाफट. ठीक है. See in the given figure O is the center, AB and CD are the chords. OM is perpendicular to AB, ON is perpendicular to CD. AB is 24, so it is 12. OM is 5. ON is 12. You have to first find radius. So first I will take this triangle. Konsa? Every information is given. And ON is my radius. So in triangle you can write basic steps. OMA R square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Pythagoras theorem. R square is equal to 144 plus 25. R square is equal to 169. R is equal to 13 centimeter. R की value 13 centimeter मिल गई. Then we have to find length of the chord CD. So I will connect this. So this is 13 centimeter. I will write in triangle ONC. 13 square is equal to 12 square plus CN square. 169 minus 144 is equal to CN square. CN square is equal to 25. CN is equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Write all basic reasons. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord.
हो गया सर.
चलो नेक्स्ट. मेरा इंटरनेट अच्छा नहीं है फिर भी आई एम कीपिंग वीडियो ऑन. बट सी जाने तो आई कैंट टेल एवरी डे. ए एंड बी. It's okay, let it be. Let's not waste our time. If in the given figure A and B are the midpoints of two equal chords PQ, two equal chords means PQ is equal to RS, given A is the midpoint and B is the midpoint. A is the midpoint of PQ, B is the midpoint of QRS of a circle with center. Or prove that triangle OAQ is congruent to triangle OBS. तो हो जाएगा to prove triangle OAQ is congruent to triangle OBS. So now in proof में we can take in triangle whatever triangle we want, OAQ and triangle OBS. So first I can say PQ is equal to RS, given two equal chords, na? Is it okay? Is it okay? No reply.
Yes, sir.
So therefore I can say half PQ is equal to half RS. दोनों का half of भी equal होगा. So therefore I can say AQ is equal to BS. I got this side equal to this side. ठीक है? Now what we can say, if two chords are equal, then its distance from the center is also equal. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. मालूम है ना? दो chord equal है तो उसका center से distance भी equal है. So the we can say second point में we can say OA is equal to OB. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Third, this part is equal. और third क्या है? Radii of same circle, rad 1. OQ is equal to OS. Radii of same circle. So therefore, triangle OAQ is congruent to triangle OBS by side test for congruency. Done. लास्ट दो सम है वो खुद कर लेना. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एक तो सेम साइड वाला है और एक कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल वाला है, द वन विच वी डिड टुडे. मालूम है ना, टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल, एक छोटा एक बड़ा.
हाँ सर.
दैट्स द सेम क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर, सिर्फ उसका नंबर्स चेंजिंग है. तो लास्ट टू क्वेश्चन यू फिनिश इट ऑफ. नेक्स्ट वीक ट्यूसडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स और वो भी हो जाएगा जल्दी. इट वोंट टेक टाइम. ट्यूसडे एंड फ्राइडे में वी विल बी फिनिशिंग अवर क्वाड्रिलेटरल आल्सो.
सैटरडे को या संडे को?
क्या संडे रखेंगे, देखेंगे बराबर. वो मैं फ्राइडे बताऊंगा. डोंट आस्क मी बिफोर दैट. ओके, चलो बाय बाय. सी यू.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
you, sir.